Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use 50 megapixels camera mode on POCO F8 Ultra. So, for your high resolution photos, open the camera app and use this icon to expand more options. Now you can find photo resolution square. By simply tap on it, you will switch between 50 megapixels and 12.5. So let's choose 50 megapixels. Also, you can use this mode in Pro mode by simply tap on the same option here. And that's it. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.